I have Snickers in my pocket. When we go back down, we'll give that guy some Snickers. Because I told Colleen, I said, I feel like I have a communication with the lift operators just wasn't happening. She's like, well, did you flirt with them and give them candy? I was like, no. Colleen's like, well, I told them I liked their eyes. I was like, I didn't say anything like that. I had no idea.
Yeah, that doesn't take much time.
It is nice over here. That room wasn't crowded. Pretty sweet.
She's doing her turns.
You're doing your turns.
So cool, Tracy.
There's still sunshine. And then this closes at 4, so I think we're going to be able to get up to the top before 4. But if not, we'll go down another trail. No big deal. So we skied with you, and then after lunch we went out with a little boy who was so cute, and he told Christmas jokes the whole way. He said, you tell 10 jokes and I'll tell 10 jokes. I said, oh my goodness, okay. And he counted for serious, for real. Every time I tried to tell a joke that had nothing to do with Christmas, he called me out on it.
He said, nope, not one of them.
Hello, you're not following the rules.
Right. His favorite one, Tracy, was, what is Santa's favorite cookie?
Yeah.
Snow cookies. We're not sure what that is, but he felt really good about it.
Snow cookies. Well, actually, they call it cookies sometimes. When the snow is like all frozen and it's in chunks, some people call that cookies.
Have a great time.
But I don't think he's ever seen it. A little sleepy? Oh, I just feel relaxed here in the land of Oz.
I almost fell asleep. I mean, not really, but I was so relaxed on that one when we went up sort of higher with Ben, that first one,
Yeah.
and the sun was shining
Yeah.
on me, and I was alone, and I was like, if I close my eyes, and not that of course I could fall asleep. It's
Right.
too loud. It was very
And slipped off
relaxing.
the chair, it would be really embarrassing.
Really unfortunate.
I'm so glad you made the trip today, Tracy. Got to get on the slopes again this year. It's awesome. Are you guys driving home tonight?
No.
You gonna stay up here? That's nice. And that's a friend who just offered to drive and come up here, help you out.
Yeah.
That's pretty sweet. It's good to have friends, especially for road trips.
No, if I was coming,
You didn't know if you were coming? Yeah. But you're here.
and
Yeah. I didn't know if I was coming either. And then Al sent me my plane ticket and I said, I'm coming!
Yay! That's how you found out?
Kind of. I just didn't really know if it was all going to come together.
Yeah.
I found out to this local.
2 days ago?
Yeah.
That's not very long. Way to rally. Did you buy a GoPro since then?
No,
No, you had it?
I got it for Christmas
Nice. That's a nice Christmas present.
for my
GoPro?
Yeah.
Cool. Is this the first time you've used it or no?
This, this, this is
Yes, it is.
Nice.
It's a pretty sweet first GoPro experience.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard to top the Land of Oz.
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. But okay, so why don't I wear it on my chest for this run? Because then you'll have the Land of Oz from your chest and from my chest. Okay, remind me when we get to the top because sometimes I forget these things.
Thank